body upside down, grab the microphone, it's about the sound. You want more, more you get, way too unlimited in effect. Check out the sound and stop this distortion. When you think it's finished, here's another portion. Just lay back as we take control, take you down into the twilight zone. Time, take a break. Bang with another verse of the chapter, straight to the heavyweight for worse or better. Bitches in a wake bar in vicinity.